It is just about 6:30, if not 6:30, and we are going to get started because we have this super cool set right here. It is so stinking cute. Oh my gosh. Hi, Kathy. I see my friends coming on. Hi, Kathy. I am so happy. Oh my gosh. That this set, I wonder if this set is on back order. We did, my upline and I were looking through some things and we saw a whole bunch of stuff is on back order already. So I need to see if this is on back. Hi, Linda. Oh my goodness. Okay. So hi, Barbara. We are going to get started. Hi, Kelly. We're going to go ahead and get started. And we are working today with the Honeybee stamp set and the framelits. We are working with those today. And I did want to show you one thing. I don't know if you guys know or not that I am on a design team and we have a tutorial that's out. But I just wanted to show you what I was playing with last night for the design team. We have some cards here. Oh, how cute. These are so beautiful. It's using that my favorite color, that Blackberry Bliss. It's so pretty. We're not using this tonight, but I just want to show you that and tell you that, I was on the design team or whatever. But tonight we're using the Honeybee stamp set dies. This is all my stuff here. And this is what we're making. We are making this cute little box. You guys, this is the, what is this? I always lose it just beforehand. Hi, Donna. Hi, Kay. This is that little treat box 3x3 pizza box. That's what I wanted to say, the pizza box. And so we are going to do this using the Honeybee stamp set, and we are going to make this cover. Now, so what you do, you open it up and you can put stuff in it. I don't have anything in it just yet because I have a ton of them that I'm making, and I'll show you. Let me put this here, but see? So I'm making a whole bunch of them. And so I want to get them done first before I go ahead and, and fill them. So this is what we're making. And I've cut out a bunch of the stuff already because I was making so many of them. And I was thinking maybe I should put these in them, but I don't know whether or not that's going to be it's a lot of yellow, So anyway, we are making this. What I'm going to do is I'm going to scoot all this stuff off to the side. And you guys are going to see how easy this comes together. Super easy. Hi, Lana. Elena. I hope I'm saying your name, Elena. Hi, Rosa. Hi, sweetheart. Oh, my goodness. So we're going to take this box. And again, this is the pizza box. And we are just folding on all the score lines that are already there. Just fold on all of these lines. This one, this big one, this one. And I do know, I usually hold it this way. So these tabs need to be folded in right here. Hi, Laura. And these need to be folded in here. And then you're going to have these little things that come out of here. But you can just throw those away. All right, so the first thing we need to do is just make our box. And I'm going to show you, I'll give you the measurements and stuff like that. But, I'm going to put up a project sheet. I have 2 project sheets to put up tonight because we made some goodies over on my other page on Sunday. So I have some of those to put up. So here's the box. Super cute. Okay. And let's put that over there because we don't need that right now. And what I want to do is, so I have all of my elements and stuff. What I want to do is I need to cut out my honeycomb. And I wanted to show you with the honeycomb, kind of like the placement. I think everything else is pretty much easy to put together, but the placement of where you want to put this to cut out the honeycombs. So I'm going to bring in my Big Shot really quick. You guys know how I am with this Big Shot, so bear with me for a second. I'm taking this off. I'm just going to cut out the honeycomb portion of this. So okay. So the box is probably 3 or maybe 4, though maybe 3.5 by 3.5. So when we do this part, which I've already used the embossing folder, the corrugated embossing folder, this is cut down to 3 1/4 by 3 1/4. Okay. So that's these two parts. So this, because I want it to be, whoops, you can't really see that. I want this to be on the inside of this. I want it to have a border like this. I'm going to cut this down to 2 3/4 by 2 3/4. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to make sure that I have an equal portion on each side as much as possible. So then I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to try not to shake. Sorry about that. Okay, so I'm going to pull this back over and we're going to just slide that off right there. Super easy. And then it comes out like this. And so like that's your honeycomb right there. And what we're going to do is I'm just going to cut this little piece off because that was from the honeycomb. You probably wouldn't be using this piece, I guess. You would use this piece, which is like the actual beehive. I always say honeycomb because I look at that, but it's the actual beehive. We're not using that piece. What we are going to do with this is we are going to use, and I have some leftover pieces. So I'm going to like cut these up. I hope you guys cut yours up too. Like, don't let any of these little dimensional things go to waste. Do you guys cut them up too? Because you can totally use all of these on your projects and you don't want to waste, right? Nobody wants to waste. We don't want to waste any of them. Let's see. I'm going to cut these up just a little bit. Hi, Glenda. Hi, Sharon. Thank you guys for joining me today. I want to thank everybody who's coming to join me for the replay too. I know there's people that won't always be able to make it. So I want to be sure to say thank you to everyone who can make it. And then everyone who tries to make the replay. So let's see. I could actually, we have like these little strips that can go there because for kind of what do we call those, like a shaker card. I did not do that. I was trying to use up my scraps. It might have been easier to do it the other way, but hey, no one ever said that it was going to be easy. So I'm using up my scraps as much as possible. I don't want to waste anything. Okay, so that's done. We have all this around there. Okay, and we have our box. We're going to bring our box back in. We're done with the framelits. All we got to do. And I'm going to use tear tape on it because I want to make sure it stays down. So I'm going to put some tear tape on here. Just like this. Glenda, you can hear me giggling. Oh my gosh. It's a good day. It's a good day to be a good day, right? Happy Wednesday, everybody. I have like tear tape stuck to I have so much glue on here. That is so bad. Not cool. Not cool. All right. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to find my little, this is my little paper piercer thing. And I'm just going to take this off of here. Hopefully it will come off easily. Pull that off. And then pull this side off. Are you guys having a good day? Wednesdays should be a good day because Wednesday is like hump day. So it should be, everybody should have a good day. I think everybody should have a good day every day though. That would be really selfish though. Some days are good. Some days are bad. Okay. So we have down our corrugated spot. Cute. Right? And then let's see. We're going to take all of these cute little backings off of our dimensionals, which, our dimensionals are helping it raise up a little bit. And I found that when I do this, I want to make sure that I have them in most places since I'm not using the ones used for shaker cards. I'm not using those, so I want to make sure that most of these, I get most of them around the area where I need them so that they're not, oh, there we go. And see that right there? I think I'm going to cut, let's see. Can I cut that part off right there? I don't want it to show. So, oops, I'm sorry, I'm not on camera. There we go. I don't want it to show. So that is kind of like the thing. So you don't want your parts to show through there when you are cutting them yourself. All right. So that's like the beauty of having all those having the other ones is that they won't come through. All right. So now you have this here and you can put this down right there in the center and then it sticks up. Yay. So pretty. Okay. So we have that. And then look at this. These are adorable. These are also part of the framelit set. And so all I'm going to do though is I'm just going to lay that there. I'm going to lay it there. I'm not going to worry about gluing it down because I have this beautiful bow that I did off camera because for some reason they just like to, I don't know, they work better when they're off camera. I try to challenge it and it always is like, that's not going to happen today. So it's okay. And I'm going to put this right here. So see that it holds it down anyway. Okay. So it holds it down anyway, which I'm totally fine with. I'll go for that. Totally fine with me. Okay. And so then we have our cute little bumblebees. So guys, I was going to do my bumblebee in crushed curry because this crushed curry, this is Daffodil Delight, but I was going to do it in crushed curry and I found out my crushed curry marker is dried out. So I have to get another one of those before I try to blend those in. I could try my blendabilities. Let's see. Why do I call them blendabilities? Because I've been here too long. Stampin' Blends. And this is Mango Melody. I really don't want Mango Melody. Let's see. Do I have the right one here? This one is Daffodil Delight. And this is light Daffodil Delight. So I am really not doing good at pulling these out. Let's try it. Let's try it and see. Okay. So, oh, it works. Yay. Look at that. Oh, my bumblebee has life. Awesome. Awesome, awesome. All right. So there are my two bumblebees, and I filled them in with my Stampin' Blends. Goofball. Just a goofball. Stampin' Blends. Okay. So now I'm going to put on my dimensionals on the back of my bee, on both of my bees, blah blah. And then I need a sentiment. And what I chose for the sentiment is, whoops, I guess that would be good on camera, is thinking of you, my sweet friend, because these are going to go to some sweet friends. But the biggest thing that these are going to do, these are for people who take, oh, so I guess I didn't even mention that. This is my class. This is part of my class for the month of February. We're going to do some fun, cute stuff. Oh my goodness. Okay, so I'm using StazOn ink, and this is, I just stamped that sentiment right there. Hi, Kathy. Oh, not to worry. Not to worry. I'm going to line this up and use this. I have a lot on there. This is my StazOn ink, and I'm going to try and stamp that and lift up. Sweet. I love it when a plan comes together. Love it, love it, love it. Okay. Isn't that an adorable box, Karen? I know. It's so cute. It is so cute. When I was making, I was like, okay, what can I do? How can I, put it together so that it is stinking cute? Because, we like to have things that are stinking cute. So here we go. Now I'm going to put this right here under that, just like that. I only have one dimensional in there. And then I have my little bees. And my bees this time actually have color. See, I'm going to have to go back and color all my bees And I'll just use my Stampin' Blends instead of my marker, which I actually thought I was, I was like, I need to just use my marker. So those are there. And then I'm going to use some of these beautiful, these are the golden something sassafras. I will have these on the project sheet because I forget. I just forget. All right. And then these are going to go up here just like that. Oh, super cute. Okay. So I'm going to need to do and color my bees. You guys think it looks better with it colored in, right? Like, doesn't the box look better with them colored in as opposed to them not colored in? That's what I think. I'm going to color another one. You guys let me know. I'm going to color another one. It's not that hard. I'm just, and I'm saying that to myself. I'm not saying that to you guys. I'm saying it to myself because I'm a goofball when it comes to coloring. I'm just a goofball. And so I'm not, I'm like one of those people that's like not good with coloring in the lines. I'm not really good with that. But there we go. There we go. I think they look cute like that. Colored in. Yeah. Colored in. Sweet. All right. Okay, guys. So that's what I've got for you is that. Oh, wait. I got one more thing. Look at this. Okay, so same box, right? Same white box. But look, if you guys remember, like Christmas time, look at this. Oh, oh my gosh. How cute. It's still cute. I think it's still really, really, really cute. It's just gold on the inside, right? Oh my goodness. So stinking cute. So what I need to do is just finish doing the rest of these with my Stampin' Blends, coloring in the rest of my bees. And then they'll be ready to go. You guys are awesome for hanging out with me for a few minutes. I try not to keep you, right? Definitely try not to keep you. But I thank you so much for being here. And you guys let me know. I think they look better colored in. And that's probably what they're supposed to be. They're supposed to be colored in. Okay. So that's my project for the day. You guys, thank you so much for hanging out with me. I will see you back here next week. And we will do something else that's stinking cute. Okay. Thank you so much for joining me. I will see you guys later. And don't forget to hang out with us over at Stampin' with Raquel, the lady in her stamps. I will talk to you guys later. Love you. Bye.